Welcome to 1 Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is がほしいです。がほしいです。がほしいです means want. Let's practice with questions and answers. Question. 何が欲しいですか? What do you want? Answer. 新しい車が欲しいです。I want a new car. Question. 日本で何が欲しいですか? What do you want in Japan? Answer. お土産が欲しいです。I want souvenirs. Question. 誕生日に何が欲しいですか? What do you want for your birthday? Answer. 本が欲しいです。I want a book. Today's grammar was が欲しいです。Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See you in the next lesson.